Bonjour Patrick, bonjour Cathy, bonjour tout le monde. Je suis là avec ma tasse de café et nous allons continuer à lire Tintin, le livre de Tintin. Et Tintin était arrêté, has been arrested or is going to be arrested because those two policemen, Dupont et Dupont, came to his cabin and said, "Well, you are arrested." And what does Tintin answer? Quoi? M'arrêter? What? To arrest me? Mais c'est une plaisanterie. But is it a joke? Une plaisanterie? A joke? Nous allons ouvrir un de ces tiroirs et vous verrez si c'est une plaisanterie. So we are going to open one of those drawers and you will see. Verrez, it's the future tense of voir. It's an exception. So you have to study it by heart. So you will see if it is a joke. So they opened the drawer and voilà, there it is. Celui qui vous a dénoncé ne nous a pas menti. The one who has, not denounced, I would say, reported you, it menti comes from the verb mentir, to lie. He has not lied to us. C'est bel et bien de la cocaïne. It's well and truly cocaine. So they found cocaine in the drawer in his cabin, in his bedroom. Le lendemain, the day after, qui donc a bien pu dissimuler de la drogue dans ce tiroir? Well, who, so, donc it means so who has well pu, been able, to hide, dissimuler, drugs in this drawer? Il y a quelqu'un qui veut ma perte. There is someone, quelqu'un, someone who wants my loss. Perte is loss. Mais dans quel but? But with which goal? Oui, mystère. Yes, it's a mystery. Dire que nous sommes à Port Saïd, à quelques brasses du quai, et que je suis prisonnier ici, à fond de cale. And saying that we are in Port Said, à quelques, only a few brasses, I would say strokes, arm strokes away from the dock, from the quay, from the dock. And that I am a prisoner here in the bottom of the hold of the boat. Mais cette embarcation qui dérive lentement. Hey, but that embarcation, it's like a boat which is dérive, which is drifting slowly. Ça me donne une idée. That gives me an idea. Encore un petit peu et le mât sera à portée de ma main. A little bit more, encore is more, a little bit more, and the pole, or maybe I think if it's of a boat, you would say a mast, will be à portée de ma main means within the reach of my hand, within hand reach. You see, Tintin is here, and you see the boat is drifting towards him. Voudriez-vous me conduire à terre? Would you like to drive me? You can say in French, drive me to land or on land, à terre. Quelques minutes plus tard, a few moments later or a few minutes later, et nous voilà à Port Saïd, mon vieux Milou. And here we are at Port Saïd, my old Milou. And you see, they meet the professor. Ça, par exemple, quelle bonne surprise. That, for example, yes, I don't think in English you would say for example, but this is something you could add in French as an interjection. So that, for example, what a good surprise. Bonjour, madame. Hello, ma'am. Pendant ce temps, during that time, so there is a letter, stupéfiant, drugs, il a glissé entre les mains des agents. He has been, well, it really means glided between the hands of the policeman, but I would say he has been delivered in the hands of the policeman. Le savant avait déjà débarqué. The scientist had already disembarked. Ils seront probablement partis pour le Caire. They will be partis, they will be gone, probably, for or towards le Caire, it's Cairo. Faire le nécessaire suivant lettre précédente. Do the necessary, do what's necessary, following the preceding letter from before. Ah, see who's there also, Dupont et Dupont. Foi de Dupont, il ne courra pas longtemps. By the faith of Dupont, he will not run for a long time. Courra is will run. It's the future of courir. Je dirais même plus. I would even say more. Il ne courra pas longtemps, foi de Dupont. He will not run for a very long time, by the faith of Dupont. And I think they're talking about Tintin because they know, I think he has escaped. So this was page 5. So let's go to page 6. Ah, see here, Tintin and the professor are riding on donkeys. And so it says, plus tard aux environs du Caire. A bit later in the neighborhood of Cairo. D'après le plan, nous ne sommes pas loin de l'endroit où se trouve le tombeau. Following the plan, we are not far from the place where se trouve, where is the tomb. So they're trying to find the tomb of the pharaoh. Et quelques instants après, and a few moments later, voilà, there we are. Attendez-nous ici. Wait for us here. Nous reviendrons dans la soirée. We will come back dans la soirée during the evening. Bien, Effendi. Well, what could we say, sir, or maybe captain? I think Effendi, I think it's a military term. It's like a ranking. So I would say maybe very well, captain. Vous comprenez, une découverte de cette importance doit être entourée du plus grand secret. You understand, a discovery of such an importance must be entouré, surrounded by the biggest secret. It must not be public. Vous avez raison. You are right. Vous avez l'air de connaître parfaitement le pays. Yeah, this is a kind of an expression. Vous avez l'air, avoir l'air, to have the air, but it's not that it means. It means to seem. You seem to know perfectly well the country. Pas du tout, mais le papyrus donne des indications très précises. Not at all, but the papyrus gives indications of very precise indications. Et voilà, c'est ici tout près. And here we are. It's here very close. Vous avez vraiment le sens de l'orientation. You really have a sense of orientation. Si le papyrus dit vrai, c'est ici même que nous trouverons le tombeau des kiosques. If the papyrus is right, in French you can say says right, but it really means is right. It's here itself, it's on this very spot, ici même, that we will find the tomb of Kiosk. Qu'est-ce que je vous disais? What was I saying to you? C'est lui, c'est le tombeau. That's it, it's the tomb. Ô noble pharaon, me voici. Oh noble Pharaoh, here I am. Ah, quelle gloire pour moi. Ah, what a glory for me. That's what he wants. Le nom de Philémon Cyclone est désormais assuré de l'immortalité. The name of Philemon Cyclone is désormais means from now on assured assured of immortality. Tiens, que me veut Milou? Well, what does Milou want? You see, woo woo, that's Milou who's calling Tintin. Un cigare! Un cigare en cet endroit. A cigar. A cigar in this place. C'est extraordinaire. This is extraordinary. Saperlipopette. Yeah, that's just like, oh my God. De plus en plus étrange. It's more and more strange. Le signe du pharaon sur la bague. It's the sign of the pharaoh on the ring, on the paper around the cigar. Je suis curieux de savoir ce que Monsieur Philémon pensera de ça. I am curious to know what Mr. Philemon will think of this or of that. Eh bien, quoi? Il a disparu? Well, what? He has disappeared. Dis donc, Tintin, le même signe que sur le cigare. Well, Tintin, it's the same sign as on the cigar. You see here on the concrete block, there is the same sign as on the cigar. We are on page 7 here. Ça, par exemple, où a-t-il bien pu passer? That, for example, where has he been able to pass, to go? Ohé, Monsieur Philémon, ohé. So he's calling Mr. Philemon. Rien, nothing. C'est comme s'il s'était volatilisé. It's as if he has vanished in thin air. Volatiliser is to vanish in thin air. Et je l'entends encore me dire, and I hear him say, encore means still, and I still hear him say, tous les savants qui ont entrepris de retrouver cette sépulture ont disparu mystérieusement. All the scientists who have undertaken to find this grave have disappeared mysteriously. Tintin, j'ai peur. Tintin, I'm scared. J'ai l'impression qu'un danger nous menace. I have the impression that a danger threatens us. So, menacer is to threaten. Wouha, wouha! Ah, Milou has discovered something. Quoi? What? Qu'y a-t-il? What is there? Oh, voilà qui explique la disparition de Monsieur Philémon. Well, that is what explains the disappearing of Mr. Philemon. Une seule chose à faire, entrer là-dedans à notre tour. One single thing to do, to enter in there, là-dedans, in there, à notre tour. Yes, it's a bit like our turn now to go in there, hein, à notre tour. Entrer là-dedans, bro. Enter in there, bro. So he's scared, Milou, he's really scared. En avant, Milou, mais soyons prudents. Go, go, Milou, but let's be careful. Clac. Ah, you see the door is closing. Tu as entendu, Milou? Did you hear, Milou? Le tombeau s'est refermé sur nous. The tomb has closed on us. And so they're walking into the tomb. You see these beautiful walls. There's a staircase. They're still walking. Ah, look what they see here. Let me zoom a little bit, zoom out a bit. You see? Here is Tintin, Milou, and there they see all these scientists here. Okay. We go to the next page, page 8. So we are on page 8. C'est inouï. It's incredible. Les voilà tous les savons. Oh, not savon, that means soap. Savants. tous les savants qui ont violé la sépulture du pharaon Kiosque. There they are, all the scientists who have violated the grave of the pharaoh Kiosque. Les malheureux, miserable ones, ils ont payé cher leur découverte. They have paid very high price. Cher normally means like expensive. They paid expensive, they paid a high price for their discovery. And you see, they're all there. What do they see? Oh my God, there's also room for Milou, for Tintin, and also for Professor Philemon Cyclone, Egyptologist, you see. Non, non, cela ne se passera pas ainsi. No, no, this is not going to happen. Se passer means to happen. You need se with the verb. So this is not going to happen like this. Je ne me laisserai pas momifier à mon tour. I will not let myself be mummified à mon tour. Again, it's like my turn. Me also. My turn. Il faut sortir d'ici à tout prix. We should sortir, get out of here at all price. So they have to get out of there. Un parapluie, le parapluie du savant. It's an umbrella. It's the umbrella of the scientist. Pauvre Monsieur Philémon, qu'est-il devenu? Poor Mr. Philemon, what has he become? Et voilà ses manchettes et sa redingote. Manchette, you see the white cuffs here. So here are his cuffs and his jacket. Beautiful walls, but there's still walking. Clac, this door also closes. Tonnerre, encore une porte qui se referme derrière nous. Oh, yes, tonnerre, it's again like, oh my God, again, it really means thunder. Again, a door which closes behind us. Nous sommes bel et bien prisonniers du pharaon Kiosque ou d'un de ses successeurs. We are well and truly prisoners of Pharaoh Kiosque or one of his successors. Tiens, qu'est-ce qu'il y a là? Well, what is over there? Des caisses, boxes. Voyons ce qu'elles contiennent. Let's see what they contain. Ça alors, des cigares. Well, well, cigars. Et qui portent toujours le même signe. And which are having always the same sign. You see the same sign, which was also the door to get into the tomb. Okay, we're getting to the last page for today, page 9. Oui, ils sont absolument identiques au premier que j'ai ramassé. Yes, they are absolutely identical to the first that I ramassé, picked up. You see, they're identical, exactly the same. Je me demande si ce n'est pas à l'intérieur de ces cigares que se trouve la clé de l'énigme. I wonder if it is not à l'intérieur, inside those cigars, that se trouve, that is the key to the enigma. Nous allons voir, we're going to see. Mais que m'arrive-t-il? But what's happening to me? Do you see? So to happen in French, it can be se passer or it can be arriver. Both mean to happen. So what's happening? J'ai la tête lourde. I have a heavy head. Cette odeur, this smell, je comprends un narcotique. I understand it's a drug. On veut, we want. Non, cela jamais. No, that never. You see, there is a specific smell. It's some kind of a gas, I think. And they're both falling asleep. You see both on the floor. Aha! See, two people are coming here, taking Tintin away down the stairs. Pendant ce temps-là, during that time, le monsieur barbu m'a dit de les attendre. The man with the beard has said to wait for them. Alors, vers le soir, comme il ne revenait pas, j'ai appelé, j'ai crié. So, towards the evening, as they didn't come back, revenir is to come back, I called, I screamed, mais personne ne m'a répondu. But nobody has answered me. And you see that personne or une personne, it's a person, but personne ne, it means nobody. It's a bit funny, isn't it? Okay. Well, you see, this is a very long picture. It's what in French you call une caravane. It's a camel train. Bon, le Sereno est au rendez-vous. Well, the Sereno, that's the name of the boat, is at the appointment. Décharger les chameaux. Unload the camels. Donnons le signal. Let's give the signal. Ah, voilà la caravane. You see, we call it a caravane. Maybe in English rather a camel train. Mettez tout de suite la chaloupe à la mer. Put, and then tout de suite means immediately, the lifeboat à la mer in the sea, in the water. Okay, this is it for today. Thank you for reading with me even during the holidays. I don't know if you're on holiday. In Belgium, normally in the summer, it's very, very calm. In Europe, it's quite calm in the summer. Hope you can enjoy a little bit of your summer. And I hope to see you next week for the rest of the story. See you soon. Bye.